Good, good morning, everyone. So this morning I'm going to do something really simple on my face just before I go to work. I wanted to ask you guys, are you back to work? Since the pandemic, it's been like a year now. So I know a lot of people, they were not working, but do you work? Did you go back? Right now I'm just using micellar water in order to clean up my face. Today is gonna be like a really simple, extra simple makeup. Remove all the dirt. I don't usually do this, especially when I stay at home, but I feel like when I do it, I just feel more productive. So I'll just do it. So I'm using my all-time favorite. Since last year, guys, I've been using it. For people who've been following me for a while now, I've been using this cream for my eyebrows. So I think for now, you know that I don't stop when something is really good. Keep using it. Once the base is done, I'm gonna use a flat brush and concealer. Why do I use a flat brush? It's just because, yes, I have someone who asked me, can you talk more about the brushes that you use? I will, guys. So this one is from Morphe. It's flat because I just really like when my eyebrows are clean and it takes less time. So I just do this and it's already straight. I don't have to use a brush that is at an angle in order to have a straight result. So that's what I do. And I do it on top and bottom. Once that's done, my eyebrows, this is my alarm to wake up in the morning. Yes, I wake up at 8:30 usually, but my system said no. So today I'm going to use my Anaivi skin protector. Always use it. By the way, the foundation that I'm going to use is going to be slightly different. I'll tell you more about it. It's more of a luminous foundation, a sheer foundation. So there's little to no coverage. And it just gives you that look, and you see, you'll probably ask me, why do I put this on my face? But it just gives you that glow without any coverage. And it stays all day, so. The foundation that I'll be using is the Tinted Glow Booster from Nars. Amazing, you guys. Let me show you. You don't even need much. Okay. So you'll see that there's no difference, especially because I use the skin protector, because it gives you that the skin protector gives you that boost and that glow as well, but this one stays all day. So it's really just tinted. It's almost like I had nothing on my face, but it unifies my face. So if you can see a difference. I can see a difference. Honestly, it's as if I had nothing on my face, but my face is shiny without. Honestly, with this foundation, if you have no dark marks, no pimple, and you just want something light on your face, it's just the best. But I do have dark marks, so I'm going to cover them just a little bit. It's like a no foundation makeup routine. Okay, see, doing a difference, and then I'll just blend it. Okay, almost done, y'all. So now I'm going to use my powder foundation. It just has a little bit more coverage than a normal normal powder, like that, especially under my eyes. And then I just go like this everywhere. But I don't want to remove the sheer skin-like finish that I have, so I'm going really light-handed right now, just like that. So we still see the glow underneath. It's just to cover under my eyes. And now, my favorite part, I'll show you my mascara, y'all. Okay. Do you see a difference? I did not my eyes though. I did my lids because it was really dry, so I added the Anaivi lip gloss. Do I have it here? So, okay, so now I'll do my lashes. Okay. Y'all, I just love it. Look at this. From someone who doesn't have lashes, it's just crazy. It lifts and it's not drying. Look at this, y'all. I just love it. A little trick when you use a mascara, even if it's this one or another one, just really follow little lines and do like this from the bottom up. And when you're up, you can even go like this. Just brush your lashes. I think it's the best way to say it. Brush your lashes and it's going to come up. Okay, I'll do everything and do something with my hair because and show you guys the result. And to finish your look, of course, I'm going to use the 2-in-1 setting spray. Not much, just a little bit. Oof. Natural glow, a natural look, something that just stands out and that reflects the light. Okay. I'm not really going to go out like this anyway. You guys know that I'm gonna stay home and work from home, but voilà le résultat final. Donc quelque chose de simple, de beau, de clean et c'est tellement léger, on sent rien sur le visage. C'est comme si je pourrais faire comme si que je m'étais réveillée comme ça. I woke up like this. Just added a lip gloss and that's it. Vous avez vu toutes les étapes que j'ai dû faire pour avoir ce look, mais ça donne un petit look réveillé et c'est juste simple puis j'aime bien. Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez?